Hi guys, Ashish this side. So today we are going to see how flash fill works. So we have three sheets here, and in first sheet we have a task to join the full name. Although we have a concatenate formula, but let's see how flash fill will works. Let me type one Tesh Chaudhary. You need to go to the data tab and click on a flash fill. You'll see that all the 321 employees full name has been captured. Let's go to the second tab. Suppose we have a name together and we want to make it first name separate and last name separate. Let me type it again. Abdesh. Let's bring the first name first. So instead of going to the data tab and clicking on the flash fill, we can simply click on Control E. You can see that first name is already extracted by the flash fill. Let me extract the second one as well. Let me click Control E again. So that's how you can get the data and transform it easily. Let's add some initial in front of the name. Okay, let me type Mr. I'm assuming all the males. So you need to check that if those are female, you need to put a filter and then you can apply it. Mr. Yukolo. Then I'm pressing the Control E. My data is ready. This is how flash will work. So you can imagine that whatever the pattern you are thinking to do it in Excel, just give the instruction to the Excel that how you want to execute your data, and it will follow the pattern and give you the answers. That's it for the video. Thank you.